Hi everyone, and welcome back to Wondershare Repairit, a one-stop solution for repairing corrupted videos, photos, and files. In today's video, we're talking about Excel not having enough memory. When it comes to Excel files, you might have experienced an error that says there is not enough memory to complete this operation. Please close other applications and try again. Today, we're covering how to fix this problem. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Wondershare Repairit and let us know any other Excel issues you're facing in the comments section down below. Let's talk about causes and solutions for those error messages in Excel, such as there is not enough memory to complete this operation. Because the error message is so generic, it can be difficult to work out what's causing the problem. So let's explore some common causes behind Excel's out of memory error. Firstly, your memory resources might be running low if your Excel file is huge or contains a lot of formulas. If this is the case, you're most likely to run into the error when you attempt to duplicate or insert formulas into a large region of your spreadsheet. Because the 32-bit versions of Excel have a 2 GB file limit, attempting to work with big regions of the spreadsheet can result in this error. The error could also be caused by a recalculation of formulas when you insert new rows or columns, copy or paste data, or make any other changes. Let's imagine you have a spreadsheet with 1,000,000 formulas in a single sheet, and you want to add another column. Excel will have to recalculate all the formulas in your entire worksheet to account for this new column. And depending on how sophisticated your spreadsheet is, the capacity of Excel, what formulas you're using, and the design of your spreadsheet, you may encounter the error message saying out of resources. Another reason for the Excel memory problem could be that other programs on your computer are using up all of your machine's memory, leaving Excel with insufficient memory to work with. Now that we know why Excel might encounter these errors or not respond, let's find out how to fix the problem of Excel not having enough memory. Sometimes you'll get the not enough memory to open this page message when you've selected a lot of cells. Try selecting cells gradually to solve this problem. Only select the area of the spreadsheet that has to be filled in before moving on to the next block of cells, and repeat this process one at a time. To prevent exceeding Excel's constraints, start with the final row of the area you previously filled in, before moving on to the second, third, and so on. Hopefully that helps, but sometimes the problem might be with the amount of data you're trying to work on in a single spreadsheet. When this is the case, you'll need to separate your Excel file into different sheets. To avoid the problems that come with larger files, you can break up your Excel files into several smaller sheets and open them up all at once. Each of these files you open will have a memory restriction of 2 GB. Allowing you to exceed Excel's file limit of 2 GB for any single file. You can do this with the Move or Copy feature. From the Sheets area, select the sheets you want to use. To select multiple non-adjacent sheets, hold down the Control key, or hold down the Shift key while selecting two sheets to also select all of the sheets between those two. Right-click and select Move or Copy from the pop-up menu. Choose New Book from the To Book list, check the Create a Copy box and press OK. The sheets you chose have now been transferred to a new workbook. Next, select File and save your new workbook. Sometimes the problem might be nice and simple and you can refresh the workbook using F10. The F9 and F10 keys can be used to refresh your spreadsheet. However, there is a difference between the two. F9 will refresh all the sheets in the spreadsheet, whereas F10 will only reload the sheet you're on right now. If the current sheet contains formulas that are referenced in other sheets throughout the workbook, pressing F10 will also refresh the referenced sheets. Use F10 to refresh since it retrieves values from your database much faster than F9. For specialized or sophisticated spreadsheets, F10 is the ideal key to use. However, sometimes the Excel recalculate error can show up, and when this happens, you'll have to use manual calculation instead. This method fixes the memory problem that occurs when Excel has to recalculate and adjust the entire workbook for every new value that is entered into the spreadsheet. Here's how to do this within Excel. Choose File and select Options from the menu. On the left, select Formulas. The Excel Options window will display. Under Workbook Calculation, select Manual. Selecting Manual will have the Recalculate Workbook Before Saving option checked automatically. This method is useful if you often save your worksheets and don't want to have to recalculate every time. If you select Recalculate Workbook Before Saving, the option will not be disabled. Sometimes though, you'll need separate software to repair your corrupted Excel files, and that's where the next method will help you out. Repairit is a toolkit that fixes all types of corruption issues in Microsoft Office files and restores data from XLSX files. It can easily fix corrupted or damaged Excel, Word, PDF or PowerPoint files. Here's how to repair your corrupted Excel files. Firstly, add the damaged files to Repairit. Next, repair the corrupted files. The final step is to get a preview of the files and save them to your desired location. And just like that, your files are repaired. You can even use Repairit to repair multiple files at once. So as you can see, there's a lot of reasons why you might get the Excel is out of memory error. But hopefully the methods covered in this video can help you fix the problem that you're facing. Thanks for watching this video, and do let us know in the comment section down below if there's another solution that worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the Wondershare Repairit YouTube channel. I'm Dan, and I'll see you next time.